on premises. Okay. So on
Okay.
premises means like whatever you are doing now, that is only for your own server. Am I right?
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay, I understand, sir.
And any concern from others, Bhagyasri
Oh,
and all?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So Ravindra want to ask something, so I definitely help that person. See, success factor and SAP ECC differently. Whatever we are learning now, that is SAP ECC part, ECC version. Okay, that is the SAP
Okay,
on
sir.
premises. What we mean by on premises, whatever doing now, that is only you can see, and your like company can see your configuration. No one can see
Okay.
because you have maintained the client number, na, like 510, that is for the TCS. So whatever you are doing
Okay.
now, configuration for the TCS, okay, only TCS employee now, what is that company code, what is personal area, employee group, employee sub, everything only TCS employee can now. So no one can now what is
Okay.
you are doing or what's your configuration. But whenever you are doing now SAP success factor, not only TCS, if I am also outside and I can see your data, so I can see by the cloud based. So I can see also cloud based. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
yeah, so that is one type of good user interface. So don't worry. So are you interested to see the SAP success
Yes.
factor screen?
Success factor screen, sir.
Yeah, are you interested? So I can see the screen
Yes.
also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Just see how the SAP success factor looks like. See, this is your SAP screen, success factor screen. So that is, very good user ID password given by the institute. See, this is your SAP success factor screen, okay? So its user
Okay, sir.
interface is like Facebook. Have you seen on Facebook? How the Facebook is looking
Yes,
like
sir.
the profile pic, everything like that. So here is also you can
Yes, sir.
search. Suppose I am search any one person detail. That person name is Anya Singh. See, Anya Singh, whatever you see in a Facebook now, like Narendra Kumar Modi, you can see the profile pic and everything data. So this is also like that. This is a person name is Anya Singh. That person is working as a administrative support, global human resource, corporate services, local time, whatever the signal, everything is maintained. Personal detail, everything
Okay.
maintained in a SAP Success Factor. So whenever you join now SAP Success Factor course, so at that time I can give you all the explanation. Okay. So this is the
Okay,
screen
sir.
that look like. Okay. So have you
Okay.
understand the concept how the SAP Success Factor screen
Yes,
look
sir.
like? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understand, sir.
Yeah. Perfect.
But most of the companies they are prefer HCM version. But some companies they are using updated version SF. Right,
See,
sir?
yes, see, after the 10 years, no, not 10 years, after 7 years later, everyone using SAP SuccessFactors. Because at the year of
Okay.
2030, SAP did not support the ECC version. So which version the SAP support? SAP support the cloud-based, that is SAP SuccessFactors. So after 7 years, you have to move for the SAP SuccessFactors.
Success factor. Okay.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ravindra asked.
Sir?
Yes, tell Ravindra. Any doubt from your side?
No, sir.
Okay.
No
I can
doubt,
see.
sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. Alisek, have you any doubt?
Sir, how this success factor will, add value, like once we complete the HCM, SAP HCM, how this will add, like, if we complete that success factor course as well, is it going to add more value?
Yes, definitely. See, I am giving the simple example. Okay, suppose you have the iPhone that is the previous generation, that is iPhone 7, iPhone XR, whatever the scenario. But currently you have the latest version, which is iPhone 14. So which phone is best for your long term? Have you choose the 10 to 15 years technology before? That is iPhone.
No, sir. I
iPhone.
prefer latest technology.
Yes, yes.
Definitely. So whenever we are started now, everything that is you want the latest thing. Okay, whatever you are doing now, suppose you are buying an iPhone, okay, and the iPhone is 10 years ago product like iPhone 7, iPhone XR. So how you just survive that phone? Because now everyone using the 5G, am I right? So that's why
Yes.
you have to move the 5G generation, that is iPhone 13 or 14. So that is the same scenario for the SAP. Okay, whatever you are learning now, ECC that is not completed. You have to join the success factor also. So it's
Okay.
depending upon you when you should join and which trainer giving the training. But I am also giving the training, so don't worry. So this is a concept of the SAP, ECC, and the success method.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, David. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, no doubt. I missed two classes, so
Okay.
I'm behind.
Okay. Don't worry. After the computation
Mhm.
of this part, I can give you the again one type of division. So don't. Sesu, have you any
Mhm.
doubt?
No, sir, no doubt, sir. Actually, I'm in journey, don't mind, but I'll listen to the class.
Yeah, very
No
good.
doubt, sir, till now.
Okay, very good. So, okay. So today we are starting the which part the hiring process. Okay. So who can guide me what do you mean by hiring process and how the step is followed? Yes, anyone, any? Yes,
So the hiring means we are choose the right person for the position, sir.
perfect. This is a concept. So, like like what should be done at the time of the hiring process? Any idea? When you are going for the hiring process now, so what is the step you should take it?
First of all, we are sourcing candidate profiles and screening the profile list. After that, we are conducting telephonic interviews
Very good. So this is a
and
process. Okay,
finally technical round interview.
perfect.
Okay.
So whatever we are doing now, that is known as uh, recruitment process. Okay. So we have to maintain the menu. Okay. I give one scenario. Suppose I want to hiring the, Ravindra. So how can I hiring? I just create a menu. For the TCS, I am working as the HR manager. So I can create a menu. Okay. And what is that menu? So in that menu, I have to maintain like which type of hiring is going. Am I right? Suppose you hiring the
Yes,
TCS
sir.
company. So how you are going for the recruitment? You call the candidate to your TCS office. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that office is known as venue or interview location. Am I right?
Sir.
So that is also SAP known as menu. So what is menu? Menu means in which project the recruitment is going on. So see, there is menu that is 2-digit code, whatever you can take digit or alphanumerical, and you can text whatever your project name like this is new hiring, and reference 40 means which country? India. And this is for the user dependence. So this is a concept of the menu. So menu is nothing, it's a one type of recruitment process in that process everyone can join that process for the fast and the hiring process. Am I right? What do you mean menu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhagyasri, tell me. I think you have some will.
No, sir, understand.
Perfect. Okay, so after the menu, what is the most important type that is known as info group modifier? Okay, so can you tell me what do you mean by info group modifier? Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
don't know,
What?
sir.
Okay. See, suppose
It's something
you
like
want.
information,
I think someone background noise is
monitor the
there.
information.
Please
It's,
mute
it's
yourself.
like something like monitoring the information.
Yeah, very good, sis. Okay, Ravindra, I can give one scenario. How you should contact me?
Okay, sir.
How you should contact with me? who is the mediator between you and me?
In organization, sir.
Yeah, right. Institute. Am I right? So institute given the permission.
Okay.
Hey, trainer, have you given the training to the Ravindra? Then yes, I can. So you found my number. You are joining this group. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Right.
So there is one group that is known as info group modifier, which is using for the hiring purposes. So hiring purposes means nothing. It's a one type of combination, that is info type combination. So you have to maintain 00, 001, 002, 006, 009. So have you understand the concept? Otherwise, I can repeat again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
whenever you are going for the hiring process now, you have to maintain info type. Like 002 automatically maintain the personal details. 006 automatically maintain the addresses. 009 that is bank details. 00 that is action. 001 organization assignment. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay. So that is your known as info group modifier. You have to maintain the info group modifier code. Whatever you want, you can take it. So there is nothing issue. So this is a part of the info group modifier. So there is one more part, that is you have to remember, that is info groups. What do you mean by info groups? See, info groups is a combination of info types. Am I right?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
sir.
So that is the thing. Okay. So I can give one more scenario. Okay, don't worry. So whenever you are creating now any info type, that is mentioned as INS, that is create. Otherwise, going for the display, that is display. Delete, that is DE. Copy, that is COP. So whenever we are creating any info type now, that is maintaining as INS. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So who can tell me INS is the part of the which things? Create option. This is a create option of the
Create
info
option.
type. So this is a create option of the info type. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So this is a step. If you want, take a screenshot and guide me. Who can guide me? Take the screenshot and guide me. Ravindra, can you guide me now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, previously,
Yes. Tell me. I
yeah,
guess it.
yeah,
Yes.
I'm note down.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You just guide me. Na? Very good. So we are starting the hiring process. So see how the hiring process is going on one by one step. Have you received now user ID password, all of you guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Bhagyasri, can you tell me the fast key code that is using by the everyone consultant? That is using for the
SPRO.
SPRO, sir.
Perfect. SPR. Then going for the SAP reference INT, that is also common. Okay, then Bhagyasri, tell me which part I am going.
PM, sir.
Personal management. Perfect.
Personal management.
Then
And PA, personal area.
administration. Okay, very good. Then
Personal
going
administration.
then going for the customizing procedure. Okay. So now I am going for the first step, that is Excel. Going for the defined info groups. Okay. So info group means first you have to define menu. Means recruitment process is going on, that is known as menu or venue. That is the same concept. So who can tell me the which part is missing? 05 is missing.
05 to 09, sir.
Perfect. So we can take a 06. See, whatever I am writing now, you have to maintain it. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
So my
Yes,
menu
sir.
code is 06. So this is for which company
06.
hiring? This is for project for which company? Dabur. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Dabur.
Yes.
New hiring 2000. This is for the user dependence. See, reference means which country? That is for the India.
India.
Am I
Okay.
right?
40.
Yes, sir.
40 for which country, guys? India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
India.
Yes.
40.
Yes. See, there is also change. So we can change by the transport request, by the create all request. So what is our next project? Java new hiring 2000. Then save it. So still concerned how to create menu or there is any doubt? So you should ask me. Any doubts from anyone, guys?
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Perfect. So now going for the which part? See, you have to maintain. I just maintain just a minute. I have to maintain. So just a minute. See, so I have to maintain the which part? Menu. Am I right? So menu is 06.
Menu. Okay. Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Perfect.
sir. Yes, sir.
So whenever you do configuration, you have to maintain the notepad or you copy also. So now going to the next step. So now going for the next step, this is completed of the menu. Now going for the next step, that is info group modifier. Let's do it. The info group modifier. Sorry, you have to maintain the info groups. Okay. So can you tell me our menu code is? I am now creating. What is your menu code?
Menu code
Tell me. Menu code is 06.
06.
Yes. So menu code is 06.
Dabur mein hiring.
Perfect. Dabur naye 06. Okay. So this is our configuration for the hiring process. So we are going for the new entries. So what is our group for India?
40.
40, sir.
So what should we take our info group modifier? We can take any number. We can take any number, what you want. Suppose I can take info group modifier as 2023. So this code you have to remember, okay? So what is the sequence now? 81. What you want? So what is their operation? Means whenever we are creating now, so what is your operation for the creating? Who can tell me?
Creating INS, sir.
Perfect. INS. So first info type is 000. Am I right? Have you take the screenshot and guide me one by one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First step is 000. Info type then 001, 002, 006, 009. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's maintain. See, if you see this code is also same for everyone group. That is info group modifier 23. 82. So what is the next info type? 001. Then
001. 002.
perfect. Then
006.
003.
perfect. Then 009.
009.
So till now, any concern from anyone, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, any doubt? You should ask me. There's nothing that complicated. Only you have to maintain the import type that is using by the hiring process one by one. You have to maintain. And this is for the INS for the creating the import type. And this is your import modifier that is important because import modifier is the one type of mediator that is using for the hiring process. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is your improved modifier code? 2023, na? Just a minute. Ravindra, have you understand the concept?
Yes,
Na?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now we have creating the which part? That is features. So there is one feature known as IGMOD, that is improved modifier. Improved modifier. So I can ask one by one, you can guide. I am asking Ali Sheikh, can you guide me? What is your company code?
It's DABH.
Perfect. So you can guide me, okay? What can I do? You just guide me what to do. See, everyone have to participate. I'm not asking Bhagyasri and whatever, like Ravindra. I'm asking everyone. So DA,
BH.
perfect. So now going for the which part? Yes, Ali Sheikh, tell me. This is the final or there is some step are missing, so we can go for the field
There is some step. So
Yes,
click on field for distant operation,
perfect. Then going for the personal area.
personal area.
See, everyone can see, okay, whatever that person is saying, correct or not. So, okay, now tell me the
Then
personal area code.
uh, DABB, I think.
Yes, EAPP, perfect. I think you are practice very good. So now going for the which step?
The personal sub
No.
area.
Yes,
Yeah,
that is
so
a fine.
the second type,
Field
field for
producer.
distant operation.
Perfect.
Yes.
Very good. So there is not concept of the personal sub area, so we can take as employee.
Yes.
Employee.
So employee should be
Exactly.
XM.
Employee subgroup.
There is nothing required of employee
Okay.
subgroup.
Then X and Q we can.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is a final step. So we have not equal the employee subgroup. So that is final. X and
Q.
perfect. So who can tell me the return value? So now I am going for the final digit, that is return value. Okay, who can tell me the return value? Income modifier, that is
20.
23. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So our code should be import modifier 220. See, have you understand the concept now? Everyone I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Then going for the check and activate. Yes, I missed that option for the check down. Check. Now save. So still now, if you have any facing any doubt, then we're going for the next step. Action type.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
So what do you mean by action? I am asking the simple question. What do you mean by action? Suppose what happened? Suppose Ravindra is not attending the class Thursday. Okay. But suddenly that person is informed, sir, I cannot attend after the completion of class. So can I take action? Definitely. Because whenever you are not attending the class, you have to mention before one day. So I can attend. So I can take action against Ravindra. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir,
what do
yes.
you mean by action means I take some activity or I take some action about that person. So who can guide me? Suppose I am selecting Ravindra. Okay, at the time of the hiring process from the TCS Hyderabad location. So what is my next process? Who can guide me? After the selection, what is my next process from my
Like
side?
we're
TCS.
preparing,
Yes,
we are preparing onboarding process, sir.
Oh, before onboarding, I am asking you, na?
Before onboarding process, just I'm
Calling you, yes. Perfect.
giving salary discussion, and
Perfect.
we are giving offer letter.
Very good. So before the discussion, I can ask you, hey Ravindra, are you interested in joining our company this year for the package of 6 lakh, for the position of SAP HCM, for the location of? Then you are saying, yes, sir, I'm interested. So this is a backend activity. So that is known as personal action type, or that is known as action type. So action type, there is first option is functional characteristics. So what do you mean by functional characteristic? I am hiring first time Ravindranath, that is should be taken as one. That is for the initial hiring. And I am taking as a Ravindra in the location of Hyderabad, I move that person to the Bangalore location. So that is type of the initial hiring, but I can transfer from one company code to another company. 8 and 9 is the process of the global and host employee. So any idea what do you mean the global and host employee? Anyone?
It means we are internally transferred to another abroad project,
Perfect. See,
like India to Singapore.
that is the concept of the global, and host means suppose TCS is which like Indian based company. So TCS is Indian based company and your hometown is India and you are working for India. So that is known as host country, and global country means TCS is which based company? Indian based company, but you have to serve in the other country rather than your host country. So that is known as global employee. So host and global employee. Any doubt in the?
No doubt.
So zero means other section. Okay. So who can tell me I am first time hiring Ravindra? So which code? 17890. Which code I can take? 17. Perfect. So first time I am hiring for the Ravindra or Bhagyasri. So this is a yes, this is a one. Suppose I am hiring Bhagyasri for the location of Hyderabad, but that person is no, I am not interested for Hyderabad because my home town is Bangalore. So which part I can take for the transfer scenario? 178.
Seven.
Perfect, 7. And 0 is other option. And host and global, I think you should understand the concept of host and global. So what do you understand by functional characteristics and different type of code 17890? So have you understand the concept or still any doubt?
Yes. Yes.
Bhagyasri and other
understand.
people?
Yes, I understand.
Perfect. Very good. Okay. So now we are going for the next step. What do you mean by employment? Okay. So suppose I am hiring you. So what is my scenario? See, I can give you 3 to 4 scenario. Employee with not with a company. Suppose I am hiring Bhagyasri for the TCS location. Hey Bhagyasri, so are you interested for the TCS Bangalore location for the package of 6 lakhs? Scenario. So Bhagyasri is no sir, I am not interested for the TCS 6 lakhs. So what is my scenario? So that person is active or inactive in a company. That person is already rejected by offer letter. Who can tell me? Yes, anyone? Can you hear me, guys? Sorry, guys. Okay, so just a minute. I can give one scenario. Okay, suppose I am hiring Bhagyasri. I am saying you that Bhagyasri, you have been selected for the location of the TCS Hyderabad, but that person is saying no, I am not interested to join TCS. So in that scenario, the employee is not active in a company. Have you understand the concept?
Yes.
Zero means employee is not active in a company. Means whenever I am giving some offer letter, na someone at that time that person is rejected. So that is known as employee is not active in a company or employee is not with a company. So have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is the one employee with a company but inactive? Suppose Ravindra is working for TCS 10 years, but what happened before 2 months? Ravindra having the health issue. So in that scenario, what happened? That person is taking holiday 1 to 2 months. So that means Ravindra is active in a company. Okay, but some period of time that person is not in a
म्हणजे ना
company.
मला ते-
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes.
So what? So second scenario is employee with a company but as retirement person. So whenever I am hiring now, this is a concept of the retirement person. Okay. And what will be three? Means whenever I am asking Bhagyasri or Ravindra that you are selected for the TCS for the SAP HCM position. So have you interested? At that time, both of you accept my offer. Yes, I am interested in the TCS head application. So that is a known as employee active in a company. Means whatever I am giving the condition now, that person is accepted. Am I right?
Sir.
Okay, so who can guide me? So I am like hiring the first time. So which scenario? Like 0, 1, 2, 3. Which scenario I can take?
01, sir.
One, sir.
How one employee with a company but inactive means you have already in a
Okay, okay.
yes.
Your so employee already in the company, but he's inactive, sir.
Means that person
Then
taking a
seven.
holiday, long holiday, or there is some issue, so that person cannot join for 2, 3 months, but active in a company. So which part?
0,
Yes.
sir.
0 means that person is rejected my offer.
7, sir.
3,
8, sir. 8.
3 guys, 3. 3 means whatever I am giving the offer letter, na, that person accepted my offer letter. So day one, that employee is active in a company. Understand or not the concept?
Sir, 3, sir.
Yes, 3.
3 option is not there.
Yes, this is a 3 option, na? Have you seen? Employee active in a company.
No, sir. 8 that you are saying, not 7,
Ah,
8, right?
Yeah, David, and see, doubt please ask me. David, tell me which party you are facing doubt.
Okay, so the 3, we have not seen the 3 option number.
Yes, you have to see the 3. See, 3 means whatever I am giving now term and condition for joining my company, you have been accepted. So that is the concept of the 3. Means employee active in a company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we can take which scenario? 0, 1, 2, 3?
03, sir.
No, only 3. Only 3.
Only 3.
Yeah. Suppose he was rejected by offer, then I can select 0. But you have been rejected, so how I can hire you? That is not possible. Na? If someone rejected my offer, so can I do the onboarding process? No. So we can take in the 3 that is employee active in a company. Am I right? Ravindra, especially you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So have you understood the concept now? Ravindra?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Perfect. See, there are payment also. There is 3 type of
Sir?
payment. Yes, Bhagyasri, tell.
In case of any woman take a maternity leave, then it's come into which number?
See, maternity leave means you are active in a company. Okay.
Okay.
But there is some condition. Suppose you have not informed that you are pregnant and you have taken the maternity leave. So in that time also, they consider as employee not with my company or with if you are giving the proper way na, like yes, I am interested
Yeah.
to take it here. So proper way means there is nothing issue. But you are going for the absconding like that. So this is the scenario of the employee not with the company. Have you clear my concept, Bhagyasri?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Perfect. So now going for the payment. So payment is also 3 types. That is first payment is 0. Okay. So first payment is 0 means there is no payment. So who can tell me in which position you have not getting any payment? Who can
Leave
tell me?
without pay, sir.
Means without payment of which designation you can join. Like there is a one position na you cannot getting the salary. You have not getting the salary. Am I right? Who can tell? Yeah, who can tell? Yes, who can tell?
Sir, unpaid leave, no? Unpaid leave, sir.
No, this is a scenario of the internship. You have not getting the salary. Internship, apprentice,
Okay,
training.
understood.
Yes
No,
or no?
Yes,
no,
sir.
no leave without pay.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yeah.
No,
No,
there is
unpaid leave.
no-
Unpaid leave without pay.
See,
No, man, not about leads.
No, internship. The stipend we get.
This is the
Yes,
part of the
so
salary part. Yes.
Okay, so sorry.
See, the concept is
salary
that this
part
is a
for
payment.
hiring.
Yes, this is a serial payment process. Suppose I am in the internship, okay, so I cannot getting any salary, or I am in apprentice. So this is a concept of the no payment. That is known as special payment, no entitlement. So have you cleared the option why we should take a zero?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
So what is the concept of the
So
one?
special payment can be stipend.
Yes, stipend, internship, whatever means you have not getting any salary. Have you clear
Yes,
your
sir.
concept?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now going for the special payment and standard wage type. See, special payment, standard wage type for the whom? Who are the permanent employee or salary employee? So we can take as the one. So have you clear who can take the standard wage type?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who
Permanent
can?
employee, sir.
Yes, permanent or salary employee. So who can take as the two as a special payment or special wage type?
Permanent employee.
No, special payment, special wage type is scenario of the part-time or freelancing.
Part-time employee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Casuals and
Understood. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So in our scenario, I am hiring the Ravindra and Bhagyasri as a permanent or salary employee. So so which code I can take? 0, 1 or 2? Which code?
One, sir. One.
Perfect. 1. Suppose I am hiring David. Suppose I am hiring Sesu as a part-time employee. So I can take 1 or 2 or 0.
Two, sir.
Perfect. 2 because that person is part-time or freelancing. So have you understand the concept? This part?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So whatever doing now backend activity, so we can take any action, whatever you want your code. You also typing your project name. So functional characteristics should be taken as one, means it's a initial hiring, and employment status taking as 3 means active in a company, and payment is 1 means it's a standard payment. So we now activated this code like personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, and you have to maintain the menu, then updated info type 00 and updated info type 302. So have you understand the concept of the theoretical part? If any doubts, please ask me, then we should go for the practical things.
No, sir.
So anyone, any
It's
concern?
clear.
Everyone clear na?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the practical things. So the first T code is SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay. So then going for the which part? Personal management. Personal management. Going for the personal administration. Going for the customizing procedure. Okay. Going for the action. Going for the see, this is a part of the setup personal action. Going for the action type. Okay, so who can tell me which part is missing, which number is missing? 24 is missing, na?
24 missing.
Yes. So we can take as 24. So our action type is 24. So we can take our project name. Project name is Dabur Hiring.
2023.
Perfect.
Yes.
So what is our functional characteristics? Who can tell me? 17890. Tell me.
once.
Perfect. So what is our employment status? What is our employment status? Yes, tell me, Ravindra.
3, sir.
Three.
3 active, sir.
Yes, 3. And what is your payment wage type?
01, sir.
1.
Permanent employee.
Yes, 1. Not 0, 1, only 1. Okay. So we can just active personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, updated 302. So what is your menu? I think previous time I am created 06 na?
So your system is freezed.
06.
Yeah, double new ID. So now just enter and save it. So still any concern how to create action?
Sir, I feel your
No,
system
sir.
is freezed.
Yes, tell me.
Okay.
Someone telling something. Action. So our action code is 24. Yes, someone doubt na?
No doubt, sir.
What happened this? So this part, any doubt for the menu and action? I am asking you again and
No
again.
doubt.
Everyone?
No doubt.
Anyone? Any concern? Okay. So now going for the next step. Okay. See, next step is your action region. Okay. Suppose you are hiring na somebody. Okay. So who can ask you? Can you tell me the recruitment process in management? Hey Ravindra, can you tell me which process you are going for the hiring your candidate? So you can take, I can go for the walk-in process, otherwise I am going for the campus selection, otherwise I am going for the employee reference. So this is my recruitment or hiring process. So have you
Yes, sir.
understand the concept?
Okay.
So this is your concept.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, so first time you can taking at the walk-in hiring or campus selection reference. So somebody or management ask you na, so how many ways you are hiring that candidates, but like how many like can you tell me the recruitment process of the hiring? So you can tell like this: new hiring, campus, and reference. Am I right?
Okay.
So till now, any concern?
No,
Okay.
sir.
So I am creating change region for action. Okay. So what is my action? Now I am creating 25 na?
4.
What is, oh sorry, 24.
24,
Yeah.
sir.
Very good, 24. 24. 24. 24. Oh my god, there is some mistake. Sorry, there is some issue.
Sir, I think
24, our action is 24, action is 24. So what is your action region? That is sequence number 61, 62, whatever you want you can take it, 63. So this is the walk-in interview. Walk-in interview at which office? Dabur office. Am I right? Then what is the second
Yes, sir.
option? Second option is for
Campus
the
hiring.
perfect campus selection. And third option is employee reference.
Employee reference.
So this is the recruitment process you have going through and hiring the candidate. Am I right?
Right.
Yes. So still any concern from anyone? You just ask me. Yes.
Sir,
Any concern?
one small doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
For example, there is any internal transfer is available. For example, Bangalore to Hyderabad, one employee internal transfer is we are planned to internal transfer. So that time, what we do, sir?
Okay, after the computation of the hiring process, now there is I can tell you like how going for the rehiring transfer and how going for the terminate process. So don't worry. But yes, whatever you are saying now, that is possible for the transfer any like employee data or the hiring position, everything is possible. Okay. So that is the process of the hiring process.
Okay.
Whatever you are doing hiring process now, that is the same process for the transfer and termination, retirement. Every process is same. So first you know the basic concept of the hiring. Then we should discuss about how to terminate, how to rehiring, how to transfer. Okay. So have you understand the concept of the hiring?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I can see you. I can show you how that is also possible. So still now any concern?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Bhagyasri and others person?
No,
Sesu?
sir, understand.
Perfect. Okay, now going for the last step. Okay, so what is your last step? See, whatever we're doing now, that is action and menu, this is a part of the which company? Dabur. But SAP don't know. Okay, SAP don't know that this is also configuration of Dabur, like menu and action. So how we should configuration? So we should configuration by the SAP configuration, that is 01. We should interlink our action. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose I can give one scenario. Suppose you buy a laptop. Okay, so when you buy a laptop now, what can you do? You just giving your invoices to the service center. Suppose whenever you buy a laptop, there is some issue after 1 month. So what can you do? You going for the service center and you can give your invoice or billing. Then that laptop is repairing. Am I right? Like that, whatever you doing process now, that is only for your company, that is Dabur. So how the SAP should know? So SAP can interlink with that Dabur configuration, that is known as change action menu. Let's go for the change action menu. So what is the standard action menu that is for the SAP? That is 01. Have you understand the concept? This is a standard of the 01. Yes, Bhagyasri, tell me. Bhagyasri?
No, sir, I'm not asking anything.
Okay, so now going for the new entry. So who can tell me this is for India? User group is? User group code is?
40.
Perfect. So we can take any, yeah. So we can take any sequence 68. So what is your action? What is your
One
action? Eh,
06.
No, 24 na. Action type is
Yes, yes,
24,
sir.
menu is 06. See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
main,
24.
yeah, yeah. So 24. So now that SAP action menu, that is 01, we should interlink our own configuration, that is double action. Now that is config. So am I right? That is double configuration, double
Yes,
hiring 223. Now just going for the
yes,
save
sir.
it. So am I right, guys? Have you understand the concept?
Yeah, understand.
Yes, sir.
So this is the process of the hiring. So now we have been completed the hiring process. So till now any doubt you have been facing?
No, sir.
Okay, who can tell me our T code of the hiring process? PA30 or PA40? PA30 is for HR master data and PA40 is that is for the hiring process or personal action. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
what is the T code of the hiring?
PA40.
Perfect, PA40. So can you see Dabur new hiring 2023, that configuration is we are done right now. So have you seen Dabur hiring 2023 project? Have you seen? Have you seen the
yes,
Dabur
sir.
hiring 2003?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So that
300.
so whatever we are going, the configuration na, that is perfectly done. There is no one concept is missing. Am I right?
నేను వెళ్తాను వెళ్ళరా
Right, sir.
So have you understand the concept?
Yeah, understand, sir.
Okay. See, I think you have doubt about the how going for the rehiring. My God, who is that person? Satya Sesu, please mute. Please mute yourself.
sir sir I'm sorry just a second
Yeah. Okay. Ravindra, I think you have doubt na how going for the transfer and the rehiring process.
Yes, sir.
See, there is one option for the see there is one termination, retirement, every option is there PA40. So whatever you are want, you can do it. Understand the
Okay, sir.
concept?
Yeah,
So
yes, sir.
okay. So one more important question, like which part that is reflected. See, that part is reflected in the action type. I can see you. because you having some doubt now. Definitely I can clear you. So which part that it changes? In a action type, I can see that part. Personal management. Just a minute. Okay. So now going for the personal administration. Okay. Now going for the customizing process. See, this part you have to change. This is your personal action type. So this is most important part. You can change whatever you want. So this is our hiring process. We can take as 131. For the change of position, we can take as 0. Okay. For the transfer, we can take as 131. Okay. For the termination, we can take 00. So this is a concept of how to changes the position, how to terminate someone. So this is a concept you have to remember, but currently you have not remember because this is not your part. Okay, and this is also not your syllabus, but you want to research it, so you can research how going for the termination, how the functional characteristics should be changed, how the employment type should be changed, how the special payment should be changed. See, suppose I am giving the position change, so I cannot getting the salary because that salary is different from this one. So there is n number of scenario, but you have to remember. But the fact is that in your syllabus that is not maintained, so I cannot guide you. But definitely some part I can just given you some like one type of example, because in your syllabus I think only the hiring process is given. So don't worry, I can tell you the hiring process. So today that is completed. If like you want to how change the position, how the terminated, so you can see the configuration by the help of this option. Have you understand the concept, Ravindra?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now our 30% course is completed. So maybe today I can send you the message in a WhatsApp group or by the email. So everyone can confirm me that we have been completed 30% of the course. Am I right?
Yeah.
Sir, the two classes which I missed. Okay, so
I think guys, am I sending video na everyone? I think previous class also I can send video. Ravindra, Sesu,
Yes,
Bhagesh,
video, sir.
video there. So David, what can you do? You just see the video. Otherwise, you can ask me the next class in which part you have been facing. Okay. First you see the video. Otherwise, I can guide you.
okay, sure, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, there is one more option is there. There is some doubt classes going on. So you can ask like which part is missing. So I can guide you. Don't worry. Okay.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah. From any concern, Sesu? Any concern from your side?
No, sir. Actually, I missed some part in today's class only, like little bit missed, sir, because of auto payment and all. But no
Okay.
worries, I'll see the video, and if at all I have any doubt, I'll text you personally or I'll call you, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Ravindra?
No doubt, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Alisek?
No, sir. No, no doubt.
Yeah. Bhagyasri, any doubt from your side?
No, sir.
Okay. So next class your timing also same from 7 to 8. Sorry for today because there is heavy raining in my area. So you so sorry. So don't be take any mind. Okay. So that's a Thursday also 7 to 8. Okay, your classes time. Friday maybe 9 to 10. Okay, this is the second scenario. And the third scenario that I have been saying you that your 30% course is completed. So I can give you the message. You just acknowledge by the email and also WhatsApp message also. Then we should start at the rest. Okay.
Okay.
Okay guys, thank you so much attending my class. If any doubt, any query, you just contact me through the email or WhatsApp number. Okay. And also
Okay.
I can update this video. Sesu, I think that person is missing. and David also some part of video is missing. So David, you just download that video and go through it. Otherwise, the next class I am planning to repeat some portion after the completion of these two modules. So don't worry which part you missing now. I can giving you the explanation or repeat that part. Don't worry. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night.
Good night,
Good
guys.
night, sir.
Yeah, thank you.